I got another great square body tip. Come along and you'll see what I'll show you. This is about removing the light switch in a square body Chevy. You can pull and pull and pull and pull and pull and it ain't gonna do nothing, but this is the trick on removing your light switch. When you pull this out all the way, right, there's a button right here. If you push this button, this will come right out. Then this will allow you to remove the rest of the switch. As you can see, you continue forward. This has been another square body tip from Integrity Auto Paint.